Hello everyone, today we're going to check out this little bad boy. It's a vaporizer from Airistech. This version is a Nokiva. It's a really nice vaporizer you can check out. It's a sign from here, but first let us check out this really cool feature which Airistech brought us. It's a scratch code by which you can check out if your product is actually the real thing, so you're not getting an imitation or something. I think that's really cool from Airistech. So let's open up this package. First of all, you'll find this really cool carrying bag, which is at the same time like a cleaning cloth. I think this is a really cool gift from Airistech, so you can keep your products, or if you need to take them anywhere, you can use this little carrying bag. Now let's check out what's inside this little box. Let's check out the accessories before we actually take a look at the vaporizer. So here we'll find the cleaning brush for the vaporizer and the dab tool. Fortunately, I have these ones from another vaporizer I bought from Airistech, so I'm going to show you. This will be the cleaning tool by which you can get onto the chamber and clean out all the herbs you've been vaping. And also you'll get the dab tool, which I haven't used because I haven't never tried any dab, but I think it's cool for if that's what you're into. I think you'll have a really good time with it. Now let's check out the product itself. You can take a look at this design. It looks really cool. I really personally love it. The bottoms, they feel really nice. You'll have to take 5 clicks here to turn it on, and then you'll have like your temperature in Fahrenheit or in Celsius. You have to make a long press, and then you will change it. Let's take a look. So there you go. Now you have your temperature in Celsius, and you can control the temperature you will most likely like to vape on. I also would like to tell you about another small accessory I forgot here in this box. We also find another mouthpiece, a glass one. So maybe if this one's getting too hot because it's really near the chamber, the heating chamber, you might use this one. You will get like that feeling of hotness in your mouth. And you guys, I guess that will be all. I've been using this little bad boy for over a month, and I can tell you I love it. I've been using it with my teas for my aromatherapy sessions, and I really recommend it. So I hope you guys like this review and will give it a try.